Okay guys, so I'm going to make a quick demo to see how I can add subtitles. I start from some footage here, some demo footage that has English. I go to Final Cut Pro and I create a new library. And I add this footage and create a new project. Great, and now we can hear my voice here.
Hello guys, so this is an awesome video.
Nice. So theoretically speaking, now I do my edits, and when I'm done, I export audio only. This will create an MP3 file. I typically call this audio because I also have music sometimes and I export them separately. So the export is done and I have here footage with voice. And now this is where it gets super advanced because I go to Amazon AWS, I upload the MP3, and then I go to Amazon Transcribe and I create a job. I let it do transcription. You can see now it's in progress, and if I refresh a few seconds later, it says complete. So I go and I download the transcript file, and then I start using my tools. So one of them is a Python script I have written that translates those files to SCR files, so subtitle files. Okay, so we can see the SCR file. I never typed those things, so it really recognized my voice. I put them in a file, demo.scr. Okay, I was wrong, this is not SCR, this is SRT. And then I use this tool, Final Cut Pro SRT Importer. So I bought this for 3 euros. I drop it here. I have to adjust some things over here, but it looks cool to me now. And then I export. And you see it created another file here. If I double click that, I can import it to the same library. And now if I double click on this, you can see it has the subtitles at the right points in time. So I copy, paste them, I put them back in the original project. Maybe I have to adjust them a little bit. And let's see.
Hello guys, so this is an awesome video. I'm going to talk about subtitles and I'm going to use AWS with it.
So you can see something went wrong there at the beginning. Hello guys, so this is an awesome video. I have to change this a little bit.
Hello guys, so this is an awesome video.
But I didn't type a single word out of those. And now I can create my file. And a few seconds later, here's my final file.
Hello guys, so this is an awesome video. I'm going to talk about subtitles and I'm going to use AWS with it.
I hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching, thanks for sharing.